Hello everyone, today we are here at the International Surajkund Crafts Mela. It is held from 1st February to 17th February every year. The authority decides a theme state every year and the theme state this time is Maharashtra. So from here, I'm gonna take my ticket and head on towards the Surajkund Mela. So this is the main gate from where we're gonna enter. These are some toys that are made from wood. So these are the decorations here at the Surajkund Mela where you can take beautiful pictures. You also have some selfie points here for taking pictures. These are some mini flower pots. Bed sheets of your choice. This is some very funky and unique footwear which can be worn with Indo-Western outfits. And these are the famous Fulkari dupattas and suits from Punjab. So here you're gonna see the culture of India, which is portrayed through the products that you can purchase. So here you have some toys for kids. So this is the Banaras ka Ghat. Here you can take pictures and feel as if you are in Banaras. These are the famous Kolhapuri chappals. You can get it from like the tiniest size to your size. And here you get the pure leather stuff, bags, bum bags, wallets, purses, belts. These are the bags made with cloth, cotton bags. So mostly in India, you're not allowed to carry leather bags with you in temples. So these sort of bags help you enter the temples. So this is actually a jewelry box sort of a bag where you get a tiny mirror. So this is an image of the Trimurti Elephanta caves. In this Mela, I recommend you wear flat footwear because you'll have to walk a lot and you don't want to cause injury to your feet. So it's better if you wear flats and not heels or stilettos. And these are some beautiful show pieces. These are some skirts for girls. Oh, pom-poms. These are some shawls and stalls from Kashmir. Palazzo pants, designer palazzo pants. You also have skirts, long skirts here. These are Madhubani paintings. You can look at the details of these paintings. It takes a lot of hard work and patience to make these. Auntie, इसका price क्या है? 350. This one will cost you 350. You also have different designs. Okay, so this is the fish design. Peacock design. Okay, this is also the fish design. You also get these one in frames. So this is stall number 413 where you can get Madhubani paintings. So this is the real pearls jewelry. These are some pretty earrings that are made of real pearl. Some bracelets, rings, tops. Some cotton dupattas where like you can wear them in your office. These are the cane work chairs or stools that you can get here. So these are the wood paintings. Okay, so carvings. Okay, wooden carvings that you do. Okay, great. So all of these are carved in the wood. Like you can see the 3D effect here. This is what Surajkund is known for, the handicrafts that you get nowhere else but only in Surajkund Mela. ये वुड की माला कितने की है भैया?
300.
300. Okay. So this is entirely made of wood and this will cost you 300 bucks. So this is known as the Kiroshia work. You get stalls, sweaters, like all sort of winter stuff. So here you get silk suits and kurtas. Pure silk है भैया ये?
प्योर सिल्क में चाहिए वो
क्या प्राइस है इस वाले का?
ये वाला 1200
So 1200 bucks for this one. इसमें दुपट्टा वगैरह कुछ है या? Okay, ठीक है, ये सिर्फ कुर्ता है for 1200 bucks. So heaven on earth for kids, soft toys. Here you get Winnie the Pooh, Tom and Jerry, Doraemon, Shin Chan, anything that you ask for and they have it. Panda. Okay, kangaroo. He's showing me a kangaroo. Emoticons, cushions, emoticons. Okay, I told you it's heaven on kids. You like this one? Panda. I really like this one. This one is appealing me the most. From the tiniest toy to the biggest soft toy, you get everything here. If you see at the back, there are like the tallest teddy bears here, and you also get keychains here. He wants everything. So this is pure silk fabric you get here. You can make kurtis out of this, suits out of this. क्या रेंज है भैया इनका?
350 का मीटर है.
350 per meter. So you can take as per your requirement. Hello Hanuman ji. So these are all toys made of wood. You also get pencils here that are made of wood. Yo-yos. Oh hi. Eggs that are made of wood. Helicopters. This is a car, a caterpillar car. कितने का है ये भैया?
200 और देंगे.
250. Okay, so 250 for this caterpillar car. So these are wooden bangles. ये कितने के हैं भैया?
कितना है 100 रुपया?
So 2 bangles will cost you 60 rupees. So a pair will actually cost you 60 rupees. You get a number of colors here and sizes available.
करके लगा, नीचे करके लगा यहाँ से.
These are some beautiful shawls. You get junk jewelry here, boho jewelry here. Anything that you demand for, they already have that for you. And there are also wooden earrings here, boho and junk jewelry. You also have wedding jewelry here, the traditional ones. So all these idols are made of brass. Here you have Buddha, Ganesh, Hanumanji. This is a diya stand. So these are some attractive lamps, wall hangings. Beautiful mugs, cups, crockery. So these are the aroma lamps that you get here. क्या प्राइस होता है भैया इनका? छोटा जो सबसे छोटा हो अगर
250 से स्टार्टिंग रहेगा.
Okay, so 250 is for the smallest one. These are also some pure leather bags and purses. So these are khadi shirts, kurtas for men, because you find little stuff for men in Surajkund Mela.
ये वुलन शॉल है, उत्तराखंड के फेमस शॉल होते हैं.
Woolen shawl, and he says that these are famous from Uttarakhand. Pure हैं बिल्कुल?
हैंडमेड, 100.
Handmade. Okay, so he says handmade and pure, authentic. So these are dream catchers. So these are semi-silk sarees, and you can see one here. Look how beautiful this is. Oh hi, the mannequin looks gorgeous. Tiny cows, mugs, crockeries, birds, ducks. So but like you have different directions given at every step. So this is embroidery, hand embroidery. This one is for babies. Quite soft. So all of this is made of glass. So this one is a stall from Haryana.